Welcome to the lecture, guys. In this lecture we are going to discuss about KVPY examination. My name is Anmol Kumar. I am MTech in Aerospace Engineering from Indian Institute of Science Bangalore and your instructor at iitpathshala.com. Guys, you can search me on YouTube by the name IIT Pathshala Anmol sir. This is my contact number 24/7 available for you guys. This is the WhatsApp number. This is the contact call number over here. You can give free examination on my site over here. Various of exam are there. Now before going into the video, please like my channel and subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Please hit the like button. Please support me. Thank you guys. Now you guys can check my other videos on vector, the lecture on kinematics, and the special strategy video on the schedule of JEE, NEET and KVPY. Then there is a video on subject wise paper analysis on IIT JEE Advanced 2020 by me itself. Okay, so now let us start with the video. Now various of you guys were asking me that, sir, what's your teaching process? So this is my teaching process. It's a student adaptive, doubt emphasis, rigorous classroom program in which student is the king. So on the level of the student, I prepare my whole lecture. So there is a lecture, then there is a doubt session, then after the doubt session there is a small test, then after the small test there is the worksheet and the doubts given to the student, then after worksheet and the doubts there is a final examination. After the final examination we take another doubt session, okay, for the exam and the worksheet doubts. So as you can see over here that 3 doubt sessions are there, okay, on one topic. On one topic there are 3 doubt session, minimum there are 3 doubt session. So that's my way to teach a student over there. Okay, so KVPY stand for Kishore Vigyanik Protsahan Yojana. The aim of the following program is to identify and encourage talented and motivated students to pursue career in research. If you guys clear this KVPY examination, you will be getting admission into courses of BSc in iisc, IICR, IIST, IIIT Hyderabad and CBSE with the fellowship during the basic science studies and free entry to all national libraries in India. Now regarding the benefits of KVPY, let me tell you that first benefit is that you will be getting admission into the top institutes like ISC. So if you are planning to get into ISC through IIT JEE Mains and Advanced or NEET, let me tell you that cutoff for the admission is very high. Okay, so you have to give KVPY in order to aid your admission over there. Second thing is the scholarship, that is the monthly salary you will be getting and also the annual salary you will be getting while your studies. Then there is, it help you to crack the JEE and the NEET examination. Then it give you free access to all the national libraries across the India. Then you will be getting research projects under the scientist or the scholar specializing in the respective field. So you will be having a flourishing career in science and engineering. It opens new door. Okay, you will be having opportunity to attend various of the seminar and the summer camp. There will be expert guidance in different field of sciences, engineering and medicines. Then you get to watch scientists at work, interact with them and visit the nearby research laboratories and institutions. Now let us go to the money part over there. So if you are in BSc or BS or any of the above, then from first to third year you will be getting 5,000 rupees as your monthly fellowship, and after 1 year you will be getting 20,000 rupees as your annual contingency grant. So this annual contingency grant is the additional fund which you can get for the educational purpose. Then if you are in your MSc, after the third year, in the 4th or 5th year of your studies, then you will be getting the monthly fellowship as 7,000 and annual contingency grant as 28,000. Now let us talk about the renewal process of your fellowship. So to renew your fellowship, because this have to be renewed every year, you have to get an aggregate of 60% marks or equivalent grade point to renew that annually. Okay, if you belong to SC/ST, you have to get 50% SC/ST or PWD quota. Okay, the aggregate marks you have to get to renew this particular fellowship over there. Okay, now let me tell you that you have to pass all the subject into the whole year. So a year comprise of 2 semesters. Okay, so you have to pass all the subjects. You don't means there should be no backlog. Okay, then in addition to the above, participation and satisfactory performance in the summer camp in the first year and summer project every year thereafter is required for the renewal of the fellowship. Now let us talk about the stream essay. So who guys belongs stream essay? Now if you have passed your class 10th, okay, and you have just entered the 11th class, then you belong to stream SA. Now the eligibility for the particular stream is that you have to secure a minimum of 75% marks in your examination from mathematics and science subjects only in your class 10th if you belong to general quota, and if you belong to the SC/ST quota, then the limit is 65%. Okay, you have to minimum score 65% marks in your 10th standard in mathematics and science subject. Okay, now the thing is, for SA, physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology, every section will be asked and every section is compulsory in the examination. Now let us talk about the stream SB. So in the stream SB, if you are in class 12th, okay, you have cleared your 11th class, then you belong to your SX stream. Now let me tell you the eligibility of the SX stream over there is that you have to secure again the minimum 75% in your class 10th, and apart from this 60% at least in your class 12th board examination. Okay, that's the main criteria. For SC/ST PWD, it is 65% for the class 10th and 50% for SC/ST PWD in the class 12th aggregate percentage. Fine with that. Now let me tell you one more thing, that you are having choice over here in the SX stream, that you are given with the 4 section. You can opt for the 3 sections over there. So you can have physics, chemistry, mathematics, or you can have physics, chemistry, biology, as you like. That's your choice to choose. Now let us talk about the SB stream. Now if you are in undergraduate first year, then you can opt for this stream. Eligibility is the same. Okay, you have to score minimum of 60% marks. You have to score minimum of 60% marks in your first year, and you have to score minimum of 60% marks in your 12th standard board examination. 50% marks for SC/ST PWD quota. Okay, now there will be an aptitude and interview that you have to give. So people ask me that is it necessary that the student have to study all the 4 subjects, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Now let me tell you, if you are belonging from stream SA, then you have to study all the 4 subjects, and if you are belonging to stream SB or SX, then you don't have to. You have to choose any of the 3, either physics, chemistry, biology or physics, chemistry, mathematics. Okay, so in part 1 and part 2, there will be 4 sections: physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. In part 1, you can opt for the 3 sections, either physics, chemistry, biology or physics, chemistry, mathematics. In part 2, there will be 4 sections and you have to opt any of the 2 sections. Okay, any of the 2 sections you can opt. For example, physics, chemistry, physics, mathematics, or chemistry, biology, something like that. Okay, now let us talk about the paper pattern of your SX stream over here. So paper pattern of the essay stream is as follow, that the examination for the essay stream includes subject like physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. The examination will be of 3 hours. The test is conducted into the 2 parts. The number of question in part 1 of all subject is 60. In part 2 there will be 20 questions. Okay, it is mandatory to attempt all the question. The question are given in the Hindi and English language respectively. There are negative marks for every wrong answer. In part 1, 0.25 marks will be deducted and 1 mark will be awarded if you have done the correct question correctly. Fine with that. In part 2, every question is of 2 marks. 0.5 will be the negative mark and plus 2 will be the positive mark given to you, rewarded to you in case you have done the question correctly. So the total mark will be 100 mark. Okay, and 25 mark is allotted to each of the section over there. So as I was telling you that each section is compulsory. So in physics there in part 1 there will be 15 question. Each question is of 1 mark. And similarly in chemistry 15 question will be there, each of question will be 1 mark. In mathematics 15 question will be there, each of question of 1 mark. Biology 15 question will be there, each of question will be of 1 mark. In part 2 there will be 5 questions from physics side, each of question will be of 2 marks. Similarly for chemistry, mathematics and biology. So 25 marks for physics, 25 for chemistry, 25 for mathematics and 25 for the biology. Now let us go through the SX guys, SB guys, the advanced guys. Now the examination includes subject like physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. The examination is conducted into 2 parts again. Both parts include question from all of the 4 subjects. Duration of the examination again 3 hours. In part 1 you will be getting to attempt only 3 sections. Okay, now out of the 4 section you will be getting to attempt only 3 section, 1 mark allotted for every correct answer and 0.25 marks will be deducted for incorrect answer. In part 2 they can attempt 2 sections out of the 4. Again 2 marks will be allotted for every correct and 0.5 marks will be deducted for incorrect answer. Candidate must attempt 80 question in total and total marks for the question paper is 100. Now this is the paper pattern. This is the paper pattern as you can see over here. So physics in part 1 20 question, chemistry part 1 20 question, each of the question is of 1 marks as I have told you. Mathematics 20 question, biology 20 question. You can attempt 3 sections over here, either physics chemistry biology or physics chemistry mathematics. In part 2 as you can see 10 question belonging from physics, 10 question from chemistry, 10 question from mathematics and 10 question from biology itself. You have to attempt any 2 of the sections over here. Okay, and each question is of 2 marks. Now the examination date is as follow. For the stream essay, forenoon 9:30 am to 12:30 am you should be reporting at the center at 8:30 am itself, and for the stream SB it is afternoon 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and you should report your center at 1 p.m. itself. Okay, so that's the timing. Now when you will get admission and what courses you can opt after your 12th class, if you are belonging to your SA and SX stream you will be getting your admission, and after first year of your UG studies if you belong to your SB stream you will be getting the admission into the following branches. You can just read them out. So that's the criteria guys. So hope you guys loved my lecture over here, like my slides over here. You can contact me on these 2 numbers. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my contact number for any kind, in case of any kind of doubt. I'm 24/7 available for you guys, and if you need guidance and classes regarding the IIT JEE and KVPY physics, I'm always there. You can just ring me a bell and you can just drop a message on the following number. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Until then, thank you guys.